Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. Oh, I just wanted to stay in my nice warm bed. But I didn't. Last night, I prepared Hungarian mushroom soup. Oh, it tastes just like it looks. Fantastic. I recommend this soup 100%. It might not look like enough liquids, but it is. I promise. I did cut back the onion from from 2 onions to 1.5. And I did my half slice. It's plenty of onion. Trust me. I already have people asking me for the recipe. The recipe will be posted, like always. Yeah. And it will be on the website this morning, because it is Sunday. Sunday is the morning I update the website with the prior week's recipes. All right, enough about mushroom soup, but it was so good. Today, Robin and I, are doing a tag team for dinner. Spanakopita. Yes, that wonderful Greek spinach pie. I'm playing her prep cook, and she's playing the executive chef. Let's get to it. Very simple ingredients: chopped frozen spinach, phyllo dough, olive oil, onion, eggs, feta cheese, garlic, parsley, dried dill, and black pepper. Some very simple ingredients make such a wonderful meal. Robin has admitted that she has never actually put together a spanakopita. She'll be fine. She has talent. She has skill. It's just working with the phyllo dough. There's some little tricks. Make sure it's cold all the way up to the point you're working with it. 2, put a damp towel over the top of it as you're working with the unused sheets, and just take your time. Trust me, I have ripped many a phyllo sheet by rushing. This is a wonderful meal. So try it yourself. Give yourself a little bit of a challenge. All right, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.